Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Spotify. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Spotify on your phone through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Of course, that's if you don't have it downloaded on your phone. If you do have it, all you need to do or if you just downloaded it, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already created your account, just go and or if you already have an account, just go and log into your account, and let's just go and launch the Spotify application. So let me just launch mine, of course, first, and as you can see here, that will actually be your main screen. So if you want to actually change your username, all you need to do, just go and click at your settings icon. Of course, it could be like me at the top right corner here, or it could be for you if you maybe have an iPhone or any other version of Spotify at the bottom left or right corner. It could be at the left of home or at the right of your library. So for me, I'll just click on my settings icon at the top right corner, and as you can see here, I will have a lot of options. So let's just go and click at view profile. Here, of course, I can click at edit profile, and as you can see, after clicking at other edit profile, I will be here to maybe change a photo if I want. So let me just, or even change the username if I want. So as you can see, that's actually my username, and as actually I can type here my username. Of course, this could be your first name or nickname, so it is how you will appear on Spotify, so other people will actually see this name on my playlist or something. So let me just type tests and click at save. So saving your changes. So as you can see here, no, my username is actually test instead of 3h. And if I go maybe to my library, or even if I have here playlist, if I click on it, as you can see here, my name will appear on the playlist when or any other playlist maybe made by mine, so that by me, sorry. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching it. Goodbye.